today we are in the famous India Sweet House located in Malleshwaram, Bengaluru. Guys, if you're looking for our traditional Indian sweet treats, then you have to come to this place. This place is very famous for its Indian traditional sweets, savories, evening chats and snacks. The best part is they don't add any preservatives or chemicals to their products. And all these sweets are crafted daily at their organic farm itself. Look at the entrance, how aesthetic it looks. They are a leading Indian traditional mithai brand with over 50 outlets in Karnataka. They have their outlets in Bengaluru, Mysuru, Tumkuru, Hassan, Hubli, Shimoga, Udupi and Mangaluru. They have many outlets in Bengaluru. We are in their Malleshwaram outlet. Their famous sweets include Pataka Pak, Mysore Pak, and my favorite dish here in Indian Sweet House being the snack mini samosas. You get to eat fresh and hot mini samosas here. Oh my god, those taste just yummy. This is their menu, you can see. Apart from sweet, savories, chats, they even have snacks like pav bhaji, chole bhatura, juices, sodas, desserts, and combos. India Sweet House is a popular sweet brand which was started by an Indian couple Vishwanath and Shweta in the year 2021. Before tasting the yummy dishes, let's know in short how this place was started. The couple Shweta Rajashekar and V Vishwanath quit their corporate jobs and started Karma Farms, a 20-acre organic farm and dairy in Nelamangala in Bengaluru, which became the foundation for this India Sweet House. The milk, ghee and kova used happily come from their Karma farms where 150 happy cows are housed. So the sweets and savories in India Sweet House are made out of fresh and organic ghee, milk and kova. ಸಿಹಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧತೆ, ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ. Wow. India Sweet House offers a wide range of Indian sweets including regional specialities like Tirupati's Laddu, Dharwad's Peda, Mysore Pak. Their sweets include different varieties of barfis, pedas, kovas and laddus. You can see they have Kaju Kesar Delight, Kesar Badam Katti, laddus, Badam Gimi, famous being the Pataka Pak and Mysore Pak. They even have these sugar-free sweets which are made out of dates and anjeer to get natural sweetness. Apart from these sweets, they even have savories like kodbele, chips mixture, kaju badam mixture, andhra muruku, kaju pakoda, banana chips, khara bundi, benne muruku and many more. Guys, here it is self-service. You can see here they've given us self-service. Please throw used plates in the bin. Malleshwaram is very famous for shopping. So once you finish your shopping, you can come here, sit and relax and enjoy the sweets and chats, savories and juices. There is enough space for parking outside in the street and you can see we can go upstairs also. There is seating arrangement upstairs also. You also get 10% off when you bring your own container to take away what you buy. This is how the place looks upstairs. They also have one more offer which is applicable only for dine-in. They have buy one get one free offer on all chat items applicable every Tuesday at all India Sweet House outlets. This is something very special in India Sweet House. They have sweet boxes best for gifting during festivals. These sweet boxes come in different ranges and different quantities and are named as Vajra, Manikya and Vaidurya. Best for gifting and for tourists, it's a best takeaway. Yes, our order is ready now. We had ordered for masala puri and masala papdi chaat. And these yummy mini samosas, they have both aloo mini samosas and onion mini samosas. These samosas taste so yummy, I just can't tell you. You have to come here and taste it fresh and hot. And this is the yummy badam milk. Make sure you visit one of their outlets and taste all the traditional Indian sweets, savories, chats and snacks. So guys, this was all about India Sweet House. You can dine in or take away. The ingredients used for their products are directly sourced from their organic farm. Taste their dishes and you will only get to know how tasty they are. And do share this video with all your contacts and let them know about this beautiful place. And do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to not miss out on more such beautiful places. Thank you.